We're talking about heart healthy and very, very tasty. I've come up with a salad dressing. I've got a lactose problem, so I have to be a little careful. And I've always wanted a creamy dressing that didn't have cream in it. And that's what I'm going to give you today. A dressing that is absolutely delicious. Let me show you the ingredients that we're going to use today. And it's very simple. You can put this together in 5 minutes. This is where the cream comes from. I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of raw pumpkin seeds, 2 cloves of garlic, I cut them up, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of lime juice. You might want more for taste depending on the tang you want. 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper and 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and then 3 teaspoons of my homemade salsa that I make. You can use hot sauce to give it a little bit of a bite. You can use chipotle, probably cayenne, whatever you like. I'm going to put these ingredients together, then we're going to blend it, and that's how quick this process is. Water, garlic, salt, hot sauce, and lime juice. There it is. Turn the blender on. It's a little noisy. Bear with me for a minute. I did let it run about 30 seconds, and I did put 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm a big olive oil guy, and so I put another 1/4 cup in. But I want to show you the creamy texture. You can also add more pepito seeds. Just do it to taste. But I can tell you that this is a winner. We're talking about heart healthy and very, very tasty. Olive oil is good for your heart. Pumpkin seeds are good for your heart. So you got healthy fats. You've got a creamy dressing, and you can wow your friends. You need to try this for the holidays. You'll thank me.
Well, how's it taste?
It tastes excellent. A little strong on the garlic. Like I said, I used 2 large cloves, but the flavor is really, really good. You can also make a dip out of this. You can add more pepito seeds or pumpkin seeds, and it thickens and it makes a great dip.